I'm going to tell you a little bit about my studio and about the way that I organize things. Anyone who's busy at all needs a way to organize things. And craftspeople, artists, they have probably more need for organization than most. And sometimes my organization systems fall apart. And sometimes they do better than other times. But when I'm doing things like I'm getting ready to start doing several different craft projects that teachers and Sunday school teachers can share about various Bible stories, because I'm going to do an Advent series starting November 27th, and it's going to have a lot of crafts for Sunday school teachers and for school teachers if they want to go with that route. But anyway, I'm going to show you a link to these. These are wire, they're actually scrapbook paper organizers. I tell you, they work wonderfully, but I have to I take florist wire after I assemble them and wrap it together so that it will hold itself in place. Otherwise, it's bad. This particular system is bad to want to collapse. Now, what I'm going to do is I've just opened another package of cardstock. This is not heavy cardstock. It's not extra heavy cardstock. It's just cardstock. And you need to start realizing that tells you something about the weight of the paper. I can only make a donkey's ears stand up with extra heavy cardstock. All right, this is the bright. Let me see what this is. I'm not sure what they call 25 assorted. They call this set assorted. 25 colors for each. This is 12 by 12. These go on sale literally, I believe, every other week at Hobby Lobby. They are 40% off. So I got these papers for whatever that is. And I can make a lot of donkeys out of this package of paper. Those are the colors. And what I'm going to do, it's sort of funny, but I arrange my life according to colors. And I've said that before, and I'm not kidding. I really do. So you have to have a vessel to organize yourself in. This is for smaller papers, and this is okay. This again is going to be heavy paper, and then light paper. The light paper, cheap print paper, I use to draw patterns with, because I may use 50 pieces of paper to get one pattern that I like. The heavy duty stuff I use for various things, but this is where I also have my craft extra heavy duty paper that I'm using to make the donkey's ears. And you're going to see right now that's the only color I can get is this craft color. Unfortunately, the donkey, even if I allow him to be a colorful donkey, he's going to have something brown about him. It's going to be his ears. So I'm going to show you various ways I can do that. The main thing in creating is to be flexible. If you don't have something, think of another plan. And actually, that's a teaching philosophy. It's the way that's the way inventions happened. People ran out of the things they needed to help them propel forward, and so they had to think of different plans. Now this is something else. Before I lose this one, I must have 50 of them. Paper creaser. I got that at Hobby Lobby too. It's if it were not, I don't know if this one's actually made out of bone or not. I've had real bone ones. They used to be called bone folders. In fact, I went in today and said I needed a bone folder, and they didn't even know what I was talking about. But it literally is a way to make, when you fold your paper, for whatever purpose, it's a way to make that fold not be wobbly fold, but be a precise fold. So I'm going to set this up, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with my papers organized.